tingin o, video.
Upload mo yan, Nare.
Hindi ko ma-upload eh, pero ipapasa ko na lang kay Tises.
Matagal nga lang yan.
It's nice to be here in Virgin Islands, one of the 100 islands here in Pangasinan. Oh yeah.
Elevators.
What can you say, Reagan, coming from galing sa barko? Tagalog eh. Good. Good. How about you? Her wife. His wife. I mean.
Great.
How about you, Jake?
About what?
How was your vacation here so far?
So amazing, you know. I really enjoy.
Wow. How about this
Amazing. Amazing.
Hey, how about you, Master?
Ukira, ayos ng good.
So nice to be here. Grabe, grabe. Magaling. Galing ng God. Ang ganda ng creation. Sobra.
Labis.
Dabis.
Yeah, we're here na.
Dabis.
We're here na, oh.
Sarap pa dito, maganda
pa, oh. Abangan na. Ayun yung bungka natin, oh.
Nakabang na.
Sa kabila pa.
Ay, sa kabila ba?
Yeah.
Ako may video.